I'm starting a new journey to $10,000 in affiliate commissions promoting one product. And I'm bringing you along for the ride so that you too could attempt to do the same thing if you so choose to. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you what product I'm promoting specifically, why I chose that product to promote, how I'm going to go about promoting it, how you too can get started promoting it if you wanted to, and why you need to start right now to give yourself the best possible chance to actually make up to $20,000. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All right. So the product that we're promoting, all right, it is, for those of you who have been around on my channel, you would have heard about it before because this is not the first time I'm talking about it. And it is SoFi Bank. All right. This is an online personal finance. Well, it's an online bank for a personal finance company, right? And the reason I chose to promote this particular product is because of how the enticing part of it. Okay, there's a win-win aspect to this product. I mean, not only is it a great product, right? It's a fantastic product. Otherwise, I would not be, attaching, I wouldn't want to be associated with it, right? It's something that I signed up for myself, right? And I wanted to share it with other people as well. Now, the good thing about it, right, is when you open an account with SoFi, right, it's a high yield savings account. So that's the main product that we're going to be promoting. When you open an account with them, just for opening an account, they will give you a $25 welcome bonus. Okay, so that's $25 free cash that you can gain access to. So that's one of the reasons why I'm promoting it. It is something that is enticing, right? Like, who doesn't want free money, right? So it makes it an easier sell, right? So there's that aspect of it as to why I'm promoting it. And then on top of that, it is a great, like I mentioned earlier, it is a great company, right? With lots of benefits, lots of good tools, and finance is one of those things that, being financially literate and doing things to improve your finances is always something that's going to be beneficial to anyone, right? We want to do better, and this is a good product to help us do so. All right. Now, as far as how I'm going to be promoting it, there is a training, right? You'll learn some skills, digital marketing skills. I'm going to be using digital marketing to promote it, right? So this is going to be predominantly on social media platforms, right? As well as like your email, right? There's ways to do this, and there's some actual training. The first link in the description below this video will give you access to the training that shows the concepts and the methods that I'm using to promote this particular product, okay? So if you want to get access to that, that's going to be the first link in the description below this video. The second link in the description below this video will be where you can actually sign up for this particular product so that you too can not only get $25 for free, but also make affiliate commissions when you promote it. Now, the thing is, it has a very, very handsome affiliate commission. For each person that you refer, you will earn $75. Okay, so when you sign up, in order to participate in this, you actually have to sign up for an account. Like I said, it's 100% free. In order to get that $25 bonus instantly, you just have to deposit $50 when you go through the sign up process. $50 using your already existing bank issued debit card, right? If you just deposit $50, then you will get that $25 bonus, and then you can take the money right back out if you want to, right? Or right, like you can just send all the money back to your connected bank account, or you can wait for the debit card in the mail that they'll send you, and you can access the cash that way. All right. Now, as far as why you need to start promoting it right now, okay? This is the reason why I was saying you need to start promoting it right now, to give yourself a chance to actually earn up to $20,000 in the eventually, right? Now, this particular product, right? They only pay up to they will only pay you up to $10,000 per calendar year. All right. The year is about to be over, 2024. There's about a little under 6 weeks left in the year. So if you do well enough with your promotions, right, you actually could, right, you actually could make $10,000 within these 6 weeks. But of course, that if especially if you're someone just getting started, that's highly unlikely unless you know a ton of people individually. You know, you can also promote by word of mouth. If you know you have a ton of friends, family, people that you can recommend on your social with your actually with your with your social media profiles, right? You can actually do that, or tell people individually that you come across. That's another way to go about it. For each one you refer, you'll make $75. So if you can make you can make up to $10,000 this year, that will be 10,000 you've already made, and then now you'll have the whole of 2025 now to make another 10,000, and that's how you'll go about making $20,000 in the short term. Because if you don't make it all, if you don't make up to $10,000 this year, whatever you make, you'll just add to whatever you make next year. So they only pay up to $10,000 per calendar year. So if you are very enterprising, if you know a lot of people, you actually could make that $10,000 within the next 6 weeks, right? And then you'll have 2025 to make another $10,000. If not, you'll just go through, all next year, and then 2026 you do it again. So in my journey, I'll be sharing whether or not I was able to make that $10,000 within these 6 weeks, which I highly doubt that's going to happen, but we'll see, right? Why not go for it? But either way, the ultimate goal is to make $10,000, right? So whether it's I'll take you along the journey from what I make this year going, and it's all going to be accumulated with what I make next year. But we're just trying to make sure that we make $10,000 by the end of 2025 with just this one product. Okay. So that's that. Now, as far as, you getting started, if you want, the only way to get access to an affiliate link promoting this product is if you sign up for it yourself. Okay, you also have to sign up for it, and all you need to do in order to sign up, like I mentioned, second link in the description below this video, go ahead and sign up. And once you've signed up, you'll be able to come into your account. Let me just show you where you'll get your own affiliate link. So let me go into my account right here. So as you can see right here, I've got, when you sign up for the high yield savings account, right, you'll get a checking and a savings account automatically, and you'll earn high, interest on these accounts. If you have direct deposit, set up direct deposit, you'll make 4.2% annual percentage yield, right? Whereas if you don't set up direct deposit, then you'll have 1.2%, which is still way higher than what you would typically get at your brick and mortar bank. The other way to get 4.2% is if you're depositing at least $5,000 every single month, right? If you don't want to do direct deposit, if you just deposit $5,000 in cash into your account every single month, then you will qualify for that 4.2%. Okay, so once you're in your account, like this is mine right here, I'm at $0, and I'll be showing you as as I'm making commissions, how as the money's piling up, I'll be tallying it up and showing you the journey as we progress to try to make that $10,000. Once you're in your account, right here where it says get $75, all you need to do is click on that, and it will take you to a page right here where it says get $75 when you refer a friend. All right, get $75 when you refer a friend, and copy that link right there. That link is going to be your affiliate link. So let me post it. Let me put it in another browser so you can see what that looks like. Yours is going to look just like mine. So this is mine that I'm clicking on. So when you click the second link in the description below this video, it'll take you to a page that looks just like this one right here. Okay. And of course, I'm sure you figured, full disclosure, I will make $75 if you decide to sign up. But if you just go directly, you can, if you don't, for whatever reason, don't want me to get the $75 commission, you can go directly, but you're just not going to get that $25 welcome bonus, right? In order to get that free $25, you need to use my link right there. Okay. So you'll have your own page, right, that has your name as well, right? And this is the link that I just showed you. This is a link that you will share with your friends, people you come across, to get your to get your referral bonus, right? $75 for each person. Okay, this $325 that they're seeing here, those are some other bonuses that you can get if you deposit certain amounts of money, right? To get the full 300, you'd have to basically deposit $5,000 after having set up your direct deposit. Okay. And then on top of that, they have other products, right? They have other things that they offer, like personal loans, student loans and all that, or to refinance. They have other offers that they give you commissions for as well. Okay, so let me just go to that page, right? So right here, $300 for personal loans, right? If you refer someone to get a personal loan with them. $500 for student loan refinancing, $1,000 for student loan refinancing for doctors and dentists, so that's a pretty good big commission there. And the person you refer, they'll also get $1,000 as well. And then private student loans, $100, right? So those are different, and there are unique referral links for all these, right? But predominantly what I'm going to be focused on is that one product, which is just the high yield savings account, right? So that's an easy sell, right? If you can show people how much more money they would make with just having their money sit in there, right? Like if you have your savings, your emergency fund, you have that money just sitting in your high yield savings account. On $10,000, for example, if you have it just sitting in there, you would make per year, you would make about $420 per year, right? Whereas in your typical brick and mortar bank, that same $10,000 at 0.01%, which is typical, right? 0.01% all the way up to 0.04%, you'd be making anywhere from $1 to $4 on $10,000 after a whole year. Whereas with that same money sitting here, you would be making $420, right? If you have direct deposit set up, or if you're depositing $5,000 a month, right, to get that 4.2%. And even if you don't have direct deposit set up, you will still make way more than you make at your typical bank, right? Because they will offer, even if you don't have direct deposit, you will still get 1.2%. So you'd be making $120 per year on that $10,000 sitting in the account, right? Just true passive income right there. Okay, so that is it in a nutshell. I will bring you along for the ride. I'll bring you along for the journey. If you already have good digital marketing skills, then you pretty much know how to go about promoting this. But if you would like to learn more or learn further how to promote without paying for advertising, just using organic traffic, the first link in the description below this video will teach you those skills. Okay, the first link in the description below this video will teach you those skills, and then the second link in the description below this video will get you signed up with that's where you can sign up for SoFi to get that free $25, right, if you use my link, and then also you will get your own referral link to go ahead and promote the same product to your friends and family or people you know or don't know. All right, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.